Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you do a bowline? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to Scoutadelic. Now, before we go into a bowline, if you haven't subscribed, come on, we have just passed 7,500, so we're now on our journey to 10,000 subscribers, which would be amazing, and it would be great if you can join our journey. So just scroll on down, if there's a red button, click it, subscribe. It's for free. You'll get obviously access to all our free content as well when we upload it, and you're helping me out, so please do that. And today I'm going to show you how to do a bowline. Okay, now a bowline is usually a hoop at the end of a rope, and in most cases it can withstand or hold quite a force, but it's also easy to undo. It's also an easy knot. I quite like the bowline. So this one I always thought was very easy for the cubs to do. So in this case I'm also gonna change the ropes. It's usually one bit of rope. You don't need two different types, but I'm gonna do this just to show you how easy it is to do. All right, so I'm going to show you from this angle, and I'm going to show you from me looking at it. Okay, so simply you should have one rope that's very long and you want the end of that rope. All right, so if someone throws you the rope down, you can easily do a bowline from that. All right, I'm just using different colored rope to help you out. So this should go like that. Okay, and what you're going to do is you need hold of this and you need like your fingers to pluck, and this is why I always remember it. A bowline is plucking it like a bow. You grab the rope like this and you pluck it like a string, and then you pluck it and pull it towards you. This is going to go like that. You're going to have a hoop, so the hoop should go over and then go under itself to go off into the distance. Okay, so can you see that? So it goes from the back all the way around and then underneath like that. Okay, with the other end you're going to go up through the hoop that you've made with your plucking, then you're going to go behind the rope at the back and then back through how it came. Alright, so through the hoop again. Alright, hold on to those two ends, okay, and then pull the other rope. And there we are. So that is your bowline right there. And how I used to do it and test the cubs is you get someone to obviously hold the other end, and they lean back, not too far, but they lean back enough to realise that this rope is kind of supporting them. It's a very simple knot to do. Now I'm going to show you it from the other angle. You pluck your bow, bring it towards you, this goes back, and this goes like that. You have your hoop, okay? You go up, around the back of that, yeah, so up through the hoop, round the back, back through itself, and hold on to those two bits, and then like that, and that is your bowline. And if you pull back, nice and secure. It's a really cool knot to do, and you know me in games. So what you do is you actually get something on the other end of this. So it could be, I don't know, like a box, or it could be, you can get those boards that have wheels on, so connect the other end of this rope to that, and so they have to do the bowline and then pull it across the line or whatever, or you can have like multiple ones on the end, and each six has to pull one back the quickest without obviously touching it, so they've got to do the bowline and then run with the hands up in the air. There's so many cool little things that you could do with it. Don't make obviously the object too heavy because you don't want to hurt the person, so make it very light and simple to move, but they've still got to do it by only doing a bowline. I love doing the bowline. I think it's probably one of the easiest knots, and the reason why I remember it is plucking it like a bow. So bow, through, see, I'm doing it without even looking, and there we are. You can also do like a double bowline and a triple bowline, but by and by, that is a bowline, and that is how to tie one. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then give it a like. Don't forget to share it around, because knots, they're not that hard, trust me. If I can do it, anyone can do it. And I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.